Did you know those intimidating battle ropes at the gym could be your secret weapon against joint pain and low motivation? Watch to discover why athletes swear by them. Research shows battle ropes aren't just for hardcore athletes. They're a game changer for anyone looking to boost their fitness level. These heavy ropes activate multiple muscle groups simultaneously, triggering a surge in blood flow that helps flush out inflammation and reduce joint discomfort. The best part? Just 2 10-minute sessions per week can transform your fitness journey. By alternating between waves, slams, and circles, you're not just building strength, you're creating a full-body cardiovascular workout that enhances recovery and builds lasting resilience. The constant movement patterns stimulate your nervous system, releasing endorphins that naturally boost motivation and energy levels. Want to know the most effective battle rope moves for beginners? Drop A in the comments for a follow-up video breaking down the perfect starter routine.